This spicy curry is a celebration of flavors. We're also going to prepare different sauces. Let's begin with 1 fresh chicken cut in medium pieces and place it in 1 liter of cold water with a splash of white vinegar. Let it sit for 1 hour before you bring it to a boil. Remove any froth. Place in a few bay leaves, cover, and let simmer for 1 hour. Meanwhile, we prepare 1 cup of grated coconut in half a cup of milk. Let it sit aside. Also, 2 kilos of onions and a head of garlic, chopped up with spices: 4 teaspoons turmeric, 2 teaspoons chili, 2 teaspoons curry, 1 teaspoon ginger powder. Just let the onions rest with the spices. Also, prepare 1.5 kilos of tomatoes, 1 red pepper, 1 handful of parsley, juice of 1 lemon, and a handful of raisins, and set them aside. Now everything is ready. Our spiced onions, cooked chicken, 1 liter of chicken broth, vegetables, and coconut. Take 2 tablespoons butter and fry the onions gently, stirring constantly. Then put everything together in a large pot and let simmer for 1.5 hours. Also, melt 2 tablespoons butter with the chicken pieces and brown them slightly. Add the chicken to the curry and cook another half hour. That's 2 hours in total. We have time to prepare our rice. We're going to prepare our kefir with onions, cucumber raita, cucumbers with a bit of salt, cumin and yogurt, toasted grated coconut and peanuts, fresh tomatoes, pineapple, and of course our chutney and hot pepper sauces. Do enjoy this wonderful recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and you may subscribe if you like to help the channel.